Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to preview and render Excel files and CSV files right in the VS Code itself. So by default, if you select a Excel file, if you want to open it inside VS Code, the file cannot be displayed. You will get this warning, and for this you need to install one extension for this, which is Excel Viewer. If you go to the extensions tab, just type Excel View. This is the extension. It lets you edit or view your Excel files and CSV files directly inside VS Code, and simply click the install button, and after you install it, now you will be able to open this Excel file directly with a nice little editor. So here you can make any sort of changes to the Excel file directly inside VS Code. As you can see, it will save you a lot of time as well. You can even change the column name as well, like this. This is your sheet 1, so you can easily see the content of this Excel file and easily edit the file as well. So it is automatically being saved. And then we also have the CSV file as well, which also displays very easily. So you can see this is the actual extension which allows you to edit your Excel's file directly inside your VS Code. This is the extension Excel Spreadsheets. So once you open this, you will be granted with this nice little editor where you can edit your Excel files directly. So typically VS Code doesn't have any built-in editor for Excel files, but this extension solves the problem. So simply install this extension and start using it and editing your Excel files directly. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.